Granny, I'm gonna start linking his own channel, his own YouTube channel, so like when he gets older, he can just look back at all the videos. Like he's probably watching this one right now. What are we, like 7 yet? Nope. He's not 7 because he can't even hold in a pacifier. Hey, dude, okay, I'm just gonna sit that over there. By the time you're watching this, you're probably wondering why you're not wearing rocket shoes. Because there's probably rocket shoes. Rocket shoes. Rocket shoes. Rocket shoes. Rocket shoes. Their nose gets all those. You not want that? Should I put that under your head? Don't slip. Baby Lincoln has the hiccups. Oh no, you wanna hold the camera? Here. Take the camera. Oh, he has the camera. He's a vlogger at start. Okay, I have to take that back. He's trying to grab the camera. Watch him grow up to be a famous little Logan Pauler. Wait, did I say Logan Pauler? I meant Logan. Oh! Oh! What are you doing? Just SpongeBob sucks. SpongeBob sucks. SpongeBob sucks. By the time you're older, we probably have crappy features to Call of Duties. What's down your mouth? What about your mouth looking? Do you have any cavities? Baby Lincoln has the hiccups, not clickbait. No clickbait. Like it's so comfy. Lincoln, do you remember this house? Do you even still live here? Hopefully not. It's not a bad place to start with a be here until you're like, well, then I have to watch this shit. Lincoln, it's getting dark. The sun's going in. Oh, okay, the sun's going back up. The sun's going back up. The sun's going back up. The sun is getting bright. Babies get views. Babies get views. We're gonna make money off you. Babies get views. Do you have any cavities? You need some milk. How tiny your hand is, boy. Yeah, how tiny your hand is. I think my hand is longer than your arm. Yeah, this is my hand. I don't know where you're trying to reach up. Here, you probably need the password. Here. Hurricane Harvey. Guess you don't realize how cool it was to be born on the solar eclipse, do you? Don't you slap my hand like that. You think just because you're almost a month old now that that's okay? Okay, you're shaking your head no. Thank you, also something, huh? Okay, you need some milk. We'll be back after the show. Thank you, this has been Zachary here.